I don't want to taste it because it's just water. Good morning! Today is Boxing Day or December 26th and we are here in Christchurch, and the first agenda for today is to visit the International Antarctic Center where we get to experience real snow and ice, and I think even interact with penguins. I am not quite sure, but yeah, I'm super excited and at the same time scared because I am only wearing one set of heat tech. I have no idea if they're going to provide outfits because when I read the brochure, they said that you get to experience real snow at -8 degrees and a storm at -18 degrees, and that is pretty cold. Hey guys, so we're inside I don't know what this room is called, but basically we're about to experience some sort of storm that you can usually experience in Antarctica. Explorers do this! Woo! Thank you for the hand warm rail because I actually couldn't feel my fingers anymore. But I swear, the snowstorm
sorry.
my butt po talaga of all the words, like I can't cut it out.
Kamay niya, oh. Yung kamay ko kaya di naman nanginginig eh.
Ginagalaw.
1 minute.
I can feel my fingers on my hands.
Yeah?
So we're about to take the Hagland ride. Yeah. So it's basically, I think, their mode of transportation in Antarctica, and I guess it's expected to be a bumpy ride. So we're gonna experience it firsthand, what it's like to ride the Hagland. it is incredibly informative and fun. It's a really great way to experience Antarctica without actually going there.